backhand side. Look at here, boy, don't you even try. Make me dislocate your spine. My rings fit to shine like turpentine.
Oh, 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 you've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I'd never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time I need to hold a corner. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine.
You nervous? That's not it. You wanna go big? Oh, this is beautiful, man. Oh, I wasn't expecting that
You've got some vacation time.
Yeah.
You got the whole thing.
Yeah, your girlfriend too bad mind. Bad when you both combine.
Turn it on.
I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I'd never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time I need to hold a corner. I need to
Okay, so it's Sunday. It's our last day. Tonight we're going to sunset sailing. I'm excited about that. That's the one thing I really wanted to do. We're gonna go get to see that arch in Cabo. So we're just chilling until then. I'm gonna take some pictures and everything. it'll be really nice. But we're at the pool now. Earlier today, I just got some B-roll for a video I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a review on this hotel, this resort, because it's so nice. I really want people to know this place is amazing. This is top notch, 10 out of 10. I just be wondering how they even think of it. Like, how do they be thinking of all the ways that they can serve us and have better customer service than any place I've ever been to in my life? It's insane. Hi. Thank you. Perfect. Every time. On time. Like that. Crazy. It's the black dolphin. Oh my god.
Oh boy. Hey, babe.
What?
Smell the aromas. I got the guard. You said
Okay.
the guard is better.
I'm sweating like hell.
Oh, it's just fine.
Oh wow, what is this?
They called it the garden. It's got like rosemary in it, all this extra.
It's really good.
I think it's thyme. That's some better shit, right?
That's good. Level 11. They've just surpassed level 10. Now on to level 11.
Yeah.
From a 10 out of 10 to 11 out of 10.
They
The only thing they could do better is have stronger Wi-Fi. That is the only thing. The Wi-Fi is a little shoddy by the pool area. Even in your room, it's like okay, but it could be better. But that's also because we're spoiled because we have Google Fiber. I mean, we got to remember that we have Google Fiber, and it's like how many gigabits? Like 500 gigabits of speed or whatever, which is like way faster than any normal Wi-Fi. So that's probably all that is. We're just used to having fast Wi-Fi. But yeah, cheers. We're about to get in the pool.